What is up, my super fabulous modern people around the world? I'm Yowawerts, and today's another great day to share with you all my new cardboard vending machine which sells these Play-Doh. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be part of the Yowawerts fam. You can also leave a big thumbs up if you like this video. So, let's get into this machine. Out of all the vending machines I made, I can say that this one is the prettiest. Like, it's so well crafted. As you can see with the design, the drooling effect, I just love it. Look at it. It looks just like a real machine. I'm really happy with the result. Anyways, here's a logo of what the machine sells. It's named Play-Doh, and here also are two cute characters from Play-Doh. So just like all the vending machines I made, this one doesn't give you your product without paying money. Even if you shake it, it'll give you nothing. $0.10, 25 centavo, and 1 peso coins are also rejected by this machine because only 5 peso coins are accepted. To get your Play-Doh, you have to insert 5 peso coin, push and pull the lever, and boom, you get your Play-Doh. So these Play-Doh have 12 colors, and same as other modeling clays, it's soft, smells good, and it probably tastes good too, but I wouldn't recommend you doing that. Anyways, this Play-Doh's container could also be used as a molder. As you can see, this one has a butterfly mold on the lid, so it's a 2-in-1. Let's try it the second time. So we got a blue owl this time. Third time we got a girl for the mold. I'm pretty sure this character played in a movie or some cartoon show because she looks familiar, but I don't know. Comment down below if you know the stranger. Let's try it again, and this time we got a yellow rooster mold. Shoutouts to all the roosters shouting during this video. Thank you so much. Again, as you can see, the machine won't give you your clay dough, but a 5 peso coin will definitely do the trick. And this time we got a weird looking animal. It seems like a wolf to me. So at the back of the machine is where the coin bank is located. Maybe in my next vending machine I'll input a locking mechanism for the bank, but for the meantime we'll just have to stick to the classic cardboard coin bank. To refill the machine, you have to open the lid and put in your clay dough at the storage. My machine can store 5 clay dough containers, but if you want yours to have bigger capacity, you would have to make the storage bigger as well. Once you're done loading your machine, you can tape the lid to the box for it to be secured. I used the same mechanism as my previous vending machine, the one that sells baby bottle candies, and if you haven't watched that video, that awesome and cool craft I made, they say, then you should go check that out. Link is in the description. So as you can see, smaller coins fall down because they're too small to pass through. Pushing the button without paying won't do anything either. The 5 peso coin, however, passes through the coin trap and goes down to the lever piece. With the coin positioned, this other piece can now be pushed together with the button. Then, the clay dough falls inside of this piece, and when you pull back the button, the clay dough falls out to the prize chute. Simple as that. I'm gonna try it one more time, and here's our clay dough. Let's try our machine again. If you want to make this machine, I have a tutorial for it. The link is in the description, and if you do make this craft, I hope the tutorial will help you succeed in this spectacular cardboard machinery. So I invited my cousins, Jinjin and Dinselmate, to test and play with my new machine, and it really works fine. I hope you all loved this machine. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to share this with your family or friends, your neighbors, your dogs, because sharing is caring, my man. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'll be bringing more cardboard machines to life. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!